Finally.
Make them remember.
Were they all trying to suicide on you last round?
Make them suffer.
I think that was just... I think they were just being stupid because nobody did it.
That's weird.
I had turned sense on and everyone was limping.
Oh, okay.
Like a suicide party.
Alright, the phone's Stillwater. There's a car over here, isn't there? Didn't I see a car? No, I didn't see a car. Huh.
Where?
Stillwater, I thought there was a car.
Nope.
There, break that door. Looks like they're all up in Evergreen. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna go trap the car at the main house. Oh, hey! Hey there, pal. Just gonna destroy this radio because it's bad. There we go. And I know you're outside. I know you're out there. Running up to fucking the camp, but you're trying to steer me away from doing what I gotta do. I gotta trap that car. Jason's just so misunderstood. People are like, you know, trespassing on his area.
He doesn't own it.
It is mine. It is my camp.
No, it's not.
It is. It is. Now to trap the other car. Ooh, I spawned right at it. That's awesome. Now I gotta kill some people.
I think someone took the part to my car.
You think they did?
I think they took it to the other car.
Oh, that might be possible.
What? What you doing? Leave that alone.
Who? I trapped
You didn't
it.
trap that. You
Yeah.
suck so much.
Are you Tiffany?
Thanks. Yes.
Oh, I was gonna come in and get you.
Really?
Is there someone in there?
Just me.
Oh, well,
Break the windows.
I told you. I even said on mic, I am going to go and trap the other car now.
You could have asked.
I did,
No, you didn't.
basically.
Not really.
I kind of, sort of did.
I disagree.
Oh, they're inside the phone house.
Yeah, I think someone took my gas.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. Pretty sure.
Is someone still in this house, or did they leave already?
There's no one in over here with me.
No, they're in this house.
What? Where'd you even go?
I'm in Stillwater now.
Oh.
Oh, Deborah, I missed that shift. You're lucky. Get over here. Damn it. I'm getting a little rusty here. I can't fucking play worth a shit. Oh, there's there's a Mitch in here too. Oh. Oh, can I come into play? Yeah, I'm gonna break your windows. Just gonna break your windows. That's all. Deborah, why are you standing there? Why are you standing there? Why are you standing there? Yeah, why'd you stand there? Oh, you had a pocket knife. Oh. You trollers? Alright, they're trolling like huge. Huge.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah. You say that. I have no kills.
It'll be fine.
Someone just stepped in a trap.
Yeah, me.
Oh. That was you?
You know your stamina goes down when you step in a trap?
Uh-huh.
That's some shit.
It is. You're out of stamina, bitch. You're out of fucking stamina. Oh, you just wanted to heal, didn't you? Yeah, no. I'm taking you down, lobby leader.
Why?
Why? I don't know. Because that's the person I could catch. And if they leave, then they're just salty people.
They
And
deserve to
YouTubers,
die,
YouTubers
Jason.
will see that they're
Make
just
them
salty people.
suffer.
Because they die when, you know, they get caught.
Well, obviously. Thank you, Mitch.
I know you're in there. Let's take this knife. I know you're in there. It looks like a Vanessa.
What do they do with my gas?
I don't know what they do with it.
I don't know.
Are they running around with it?
I don't know. I think someone just took it. They didn't even put it in the other
Ah,
car.
yeah. I stepped in a trap. But hey, that helps my rage, so
Kill them.
that's good. That's another trap you stepped in. They are all at the fucking phone.
I see that.
Why didn't you tell me this? Why didn't you tell me this?
No.
You cannot die. You can
I
never
broke
die.
it. Now I gotta stand right here at this phone. Now I gotta sit with this phone. These little trolls.
They'll be fine.
And she just hit me. Fuck!
Jason. Don't let them.
I'm gonna swing kill you all. Just swing killing you. Oh my god, they took my mask off.
From me, Jason.
Wow.
They're gonna get this call off. No, they're not. Haha. Haha. That's fine, they take my mask off. I mean. And now you're gonna die, bitch. Fast kill. Fast kill. You guys are really good at fighting to get this fucking call off, aren't you?
That's my boy. Hunt them down and make them pay.
Anyone running around? Way up in Evergreen. I'm not gonna even leave the phone until I get people dead. And they dropped the battery over here too.
I need gas.
Oh my god. What happened?
I ain't leaving this phone. This is the fight for the fucking phone. I'll tell you that right now. Holy shit. And I don't have another trap, so yeah. Did anything else get fixed?
Just the battery in my car.
Oh.
Not finding gas.
I'm still here, bitch. Don't you worry. You're still standing there, too. I can see you. There, take a knife. Yeah, you take a knife too. You take a
Are
knife
any of
too?
them holding any parts?
No. Not that I can see. I don't really want to leave this phone. Yeah, I'm still here, bitch. Don't you worry, I'm not leaving. Oh, yeah. I'm not giving them the satisfaction of getting this phone call off. No, I am not. So they can go fix other shit, but nope. I'm not giving them this phone call.
Oh, seriously? They took my gas and put it in the other car.
Did they really?
Yes.
That was smart of them. Oh, you let your friend die? Oh, you guys stupid.
They deserve to
I'm
die,
over here too.
Jason.
Are you?
Make them
I'm the one right
suffer.
behind you. Let me see what they got.
You can have anything they got,
Ah, nah.
but you could stand near this phone for me.
They're working their way over to the car. They have the battery.
Do they?
They appear to be abandoning the phone.
That's why I asked you to come and be with that phone.
Well, I don't want to be with the phone. I want the car. That's not fun.
Do you have the keys?
I told you I had the keys.
Oh, I don't remember. I didn't remember that. I'm sorry.
We might want to get up there. Let them fix it.
Yeah,
first.
but it looks like someone. Looks like they're staying around near where the phone
looks like-
is.
It looks like somebody's swimming. Or they're about to be.
I gotta. Where the fuck am I?
You're near the car.
There's Mitch.
One of them's got battery.
I'm
Yeah, they
sure of
dropped
it. I'm sure
Oh,
of
they're on
it.
your island. Island.
I don't have it yet.
Oh, be careful. Your mask is off.
Is Tommy with him?
I guess so. He's not over here with me.
Uh-huh. Fuck.
Get up, Jason.
Yeah, they're gonna try for it.
Kill them. They're trying to take them.
I'm getting out of here.
Don't let them go, Mommy.
Who's in that car?
Me.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Well, I got him.
You got who?
The other two people.
Well, I don't have my morphin now, so you're gonna have to wait a minute here.
They're on the
'Cause
main road.
They are strategically trying to fucking kill me. Where are you going? Stop the car!
I'm just driving back and forth.
Stop! Thank you. Stop!
Sorry.
When you do that, it almost makes
I
me
didn't
take
mean to.
the fucking person in the front, and I don't want to take you. There we go. Did he stay out of the car?
Yeah.
Alright.
Skillful.
Yeah,
mother.
let me get this one. Yep. I still
the
got
other
it.
keys.
Did he really?
Is this betrayed though?
Yeah, I know. That's weird. Okay, get out of your car and tell me where they are.
They're in Stillwater. Right by the water, near the campsite.
Yeah, I see them. You should,
Well, I can hurry up and get over there. I know, run them over.
at least one of them. Looks like they're separating a little bit. Go get him, Tiger.
There's a fence, I don't think I can get him. Oh, wait. That's a rock, that's a rock, that's a rock. I don't want to get stuck.
Yeah, now they're inside, aren't they?
I think so.
Oh boy. Oh
This is
boy.
a hard house to drive to.
It is.
That's that big rock,
It is.
cliff thingy, whatever.
Okay.
Yep.
I need knives. I gotta find some knives.
Get
I
off
just stepped in
Jason.
someone's trap.
Find them. Kill them.
We gotta find some knives. There's one. Twitch TV, I'm not giving you the satisfaction of killing me on your fucking stream. At all. I really don't want to die as Jason, but
It happens.
it does. It does, but
You've been killed before.
yeah, I have, but yeah, you know.
It'll be alright.
How much time's left?
I don't know.
Oh,
Don't let them.
no knives, no knives. Are you sticking around there, or?
Yeah, I'm backing up and then smacking into the side of the house.
Are you?
Yes. She told me to go away.
Did she?
Yes.
I want to see if I can shift on top of the house.
You can.
Let's see if I can do it. I'm stalking right now, but... Damn it! I missed.
How do you miss? It's not even hard.
I don't know, because I've never tried it before.
Yeah, you have. I have video evidence.
Did I? I don't remember doing it.
It's in my capture gallery.
Do you have to get it right on the ledge?
Yeah, you just back up a little.
Right here?
Yeah, then you gotta make sure to stop it. Right when you're in the center of the roof.
Oh, I'm on it! Yes!
I see you.
Yes!
Come over to this edge.
I don't want to fall off.
Oh no, come over here to this
Oh.
the tippy top. Yeah, right there. Wait, no, wait. Come down a little. Right there, stop. I'm trying to get a screenshot, don't move.
Oh, this is awesome.
I got it.
Yeah. I wonder if they could hear me on the roof.
Maybe.
Come on. Wish they'd come out of there.
I wish you'd just go accept your fate, honey.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Come on, let them have it.
I'm
You
gonna
can go
take.
fuck yourself.
I'm gonna take you.
You're taking shit. Take that.
Yeah. At least
gonna
give
team
me.
up with him.
No, give me that kill. Give
Nope.
me your kill.
Nope.
Give me the kill.
You can never die.
Give me the fucking kill.
Come in here if you want it, big boy.
I don't want to die.
Well, then I guess you ain't getting me.
How many kills did I get? Well, I got 5. That's enough.
Come on, come in here. Don't be a pussy.
Oh,
Get in here.
no.
Come on, they beat it. They beat you fair and square. Get in here.
They didn't beat me.
Yeah, they did. You still want to come in here because you're a pussy.
I am being a pussy.
Come on in. Maybe I'll hit you and fuck it up.
I'm gonna fuck it up for them.
Come on in. Don't do that.
I will.
That's just, oh, come on, don't be a sissy.
Alright, I'll try it.
Jason.
Mother is talking.
Uh-oh.
fucked up.
Uh-oh.
You fucked up.
Oh, they
Oh,
got
no, I
it.
didn't.
They got it. Oh.
Wow, how did he get over there?
I don't know, but he got over there. I think the
Holy
game
crap.
did it. That's alright. That was fun anyway. I don't mind. I didn't think they were going to get it. I was like so close to tapping out of it too.
Wow.
Yeah.
There's me dancing.
Yeah, I gave him a little, you know, kill for his stream. There you go, Jalen's. There you go, buddy. I died as Jason.
You did.
Won't be the first, or won't be the last time, I'll tell you that.
No.
I think
probably
I think everyone has died as Jason before, so.
not. Except for that one guy who says he's never died.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I forget his name.
I don't know, but. Nah. It don't.
Undefeated. Yeah, no one is ever undefeated.